Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you from the auction, and man, I found a little peach. A little cream puff, man. This is a 2003 BMW 3 Series that is just in terrific condition. Look at those headlights. I mean, this thing is nice to be 21 years old. And it's not like a low mileage beauty queen. I mean, it's low miles given its age. It's got like 170 something thousand. But I mean, 325 out. There we go. Got the good old inline six. Oh yeah, she's running good. No misfires. I mean, this is a little jewel. Power windows work, sunroof works, AC is cold. Look at the interior. We got the little airbags in the door. Not all ripped up. I mean, whoever had this thing cared for it. They loved it. It was a smoker's car, as you can tell. But it doesn't smell just horrible. We do have a couple of warning lights, but probably not big deals. There's the, of course, airbag and your brake pad lining. So the brake pad linings are getting low. And then, of course, that's BMW's check engine light, service engine soon, for the time, which, you know, given its age, I'm not really surprised it's on. I mean, the little car runs great. I forgot to open the hood. I want to show you guys the sweetness of this whole thing. This is what makes a 3 Series of this vintage so awesome. Look at that big old inline six. And listen to it purr. I mean, no funny smells. No, nothing. Just smooth as butter. That's what makes these cars such a blast. It's unfortunate that it's an automatic, but the fact that there's even one here is just a miracle in and of itself. And the AC is so freaking cold, I'm gonna have to turn it down. Man, it's got some cold air. Excuse my cough. I have been fighting a nasty cold. This thing is tight, drives straight. Suspension, no clunking, no, I mean, it's driving dead on. I was just going to see what the temperature gauge was going to do. That was the only thing I was really concerned about. Since everything seemed to be pretty kosher with it as far as drivability and condition. Just want to make sure it doesn't run hot. It's sitting dead on the halfway point. And I'm not as familiar with BMWs as I am other cars, so I'm not really sure where their normal operating temperature is supposed to reside. Does it reside right at the halfway points? This will probably be a fairly inexpensive car tomorrow, I would imagine. Unless some enthusiast is here. Somebody that recognizes just the overall physical condition of it. Oh, so smooth. Oh, shifts great. I mean, not a ton of power. I mean, it's a 325i, so I imagine it's a 2.55 six-cylinder, but it's got plenty of get up and go. I mean, it's not going to win any drag races, but boy, it feels good and torquey and smooth. Transmission smooth. I can go ahead and tell you right now, I want this car for myself. I certainly do. A nice old 3 Series. About 3/4 throttle. Oh, silky smooth. Listen to that thing. So So nice. Got strong brakes too. Wow. Yeah, I like this car. This is going on my short list. And I have a short list tomorrow. Very short. Half the cars that were on my watch list to come out here and look at today are not out here yet. And I mean, it's 7 o'clock the night before the auction, and they make us leave at 8. I mean, I'm not even going to be able to see them. One of them was, what was it? It was a Mercedes convertible like that one, but it was just a touch different. Yeah, this little car's a jewel. I'm going to bid on her tomorrow. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.